For multi-dog setting, so having 2 to 3 dogs on one remote, first thing we have to do is we have to set the remote to multi-dog mode. We're going to turn the dial to 2. We're going to push the button on the back right here. Got 2 little flashes. For multi-dog setting, there's a few options. So if we're on 2, each of those 3 collars is going to have the low pulse rate for the stimulation. If we set it multi-dog on 3, then it's the medium pulse rate, or on multi-dog 4, it's the high pulse rate. So sometimes we might have a pair of difficult dogs that we might want to set to, say, 3 for multi-dog, so each dog has that medium pulse rate every time the client pushes the button. Most of the time, though, we're just going to use 2 for multi-dog, so each dog has a low pulse rate. We're on 2, push the button on the back. We're now in multi-dog setting. Now we just need to hook up each collar to the corresponding button. Dog number 1. To sync it up, of course, power off, push and hold the button. Light goes off, push the low button on the remote. Got 5 little flashes. And test it with the vibrate. Synced up. For dog number 2, power off, push and hold the button. Release and push button on the remote. There we go. Remember, when you're syncing it up, it has to be pretty quick that you release the power button and then push the corresponding button on the remote. If there's too long of a gap, it's not going to sync up. So we're now on multi-dog. Dog number 2 is on our medium button. Dog number 1 is on our low button.